Let's turn these clams into delicious clam chowder.
Welcome to another episode of Bite Size Seattle.
Hi there, I'm Brett, Marketing Manager here at the JanusGroup, your Seattle real estate team. A few days ago, my amazing wife Christina informed me that the good people at Hama Hama were having a sale because many of the restaurants that they normally send their shellfish to were closed because of the coronavirus. So we ordered 5 pounds of clams and they were delivered earlier today by FedEx. And now I'm here in the kitchen making clam chowder because, hey, who doesn't want a little bit of comfort food when they're in coronavirus isolation? The first thing to do is cook the clams. So I put 2 quarts of water in here and now I'm adding the clams. And we're gonna let this come to a boil and cook for 8 minutes. Hama Hama is a Puget Sound shellfish company in operation since 1922. You may have heard of them because of their signature Hama Hama oyster, which is found in many of Seattle's best restaurants. Today, I'm making this clam chowder with a recipe that I originally found in Bon Appetit and have adapted to my tastes because I'm a native New Englander and I have a lot of opinions about clam chowder. Okay, let's get started on the chowder. First, we're going to add the butter. Thanks for watching this episode of Bite Size Seattle. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right there, or watch our other videos right there. Until next time, cheers.
House goals realized. JanusGroup at RE/MAX Integrity.
It's a tooth!